Good afternoon, students. This session will discuss and practice about the first angle projection. How to draw the three views of the given isometric view, that is front view, side view and top view. Here an example which shows the isometric block. This is isometric block. So we have to draw the front view, side view and top view of the given isometric block. Always isometric block is given in three dimensions, that is in different axes like x, y and z axis. So these 3D dimension should be converted into two dimensions in orthographic views such as x and y axis. Let me draw the front view of the given object. Before going to draw the three views of the given isometric view, we should know the respective dimensions of the three views. So what is the length of the front view? So this is the front view. This is from here, this point to this point, again this point, which shows 78 mm is the length of the front view, including this 12 mm, which is also visible when we are viewing from this side, this portion and this one. Okay. Then what is the base of the side view? Side view is given here 12 mm, this box, again there is another box 12 mm, and the same this portion is generated at this point. It is also 12 mm, nothing but 12 plus 18 plus 12, totally 42 mm. Front view 78 mm, side view 42 mm, and let me know height of the object. Height is 12 mm here, again from here to here 27. So this is the center. Then the curve is made, nothing but radius is made. Radius is given 21 mm. 21 plus 27 plus 12, totally 60 mm. Height of the object is 60 mm. Length of the object is 78 mm and width of the object is 42 mm. Now we will plan to draw the three views. As we know, we already discussed in earlier class, before going to draw the three views of the given isometric block, we have to make a plus mark. So that shows, see, for example, it is given in first angle projection. The views should be drawn in first angle projection. Okay, the first angle projection, so make a plus mark. In first angle projection, front view comes here. When we are viewing from this, it goes to that side, that is top here. Then top view, when we are viewing from this side, the top view comes to bottom of below the front view. Then the right side view of this object comes to left side view. When we are viewing from this side, the right side view comes to left side view, that is left side view. This is the principle of preparing three views: front view, below that top view, and left and right hand side view goes to and left hand side view adjacent to front view on top. Now we will draw the front view. So what are the portions comes in this views? So we know this is, I am darking here, up center up to here center. This is this portion is visible. Again when we are viewing from this side, this portion is also we are seeing. So nothing but, so up to here, then this portion this fashion. So this is the darkened portion is the front view of the object. Now you can take the base of 78 mm. Okay, height is, height of this one 60, from here to here 60, this is 78, and make a step. This is 12 mm box, 12 mm as we seen, and this is the 12 mm separate box is here. This box is looking here, we are seeing this one, this box is drawn here, and again this portion, this one is, I'm darkening here. Again this is visible, this is visible here, I'm darkening by this pencil brown color here, so nothing but this. And again this portion is also visible when we are viewing from front view side of the object. So this is right. Then this slant tapered should be touched at the height from here to here 42. So draw this line. So front view looks like this according to the given object, right? Next we'll draw the top view of the isometric block. Top view, the length of the top view is same as the front view, 78 mm. Next, it is the 42 length is visible like this. This is from, okay, this one 42. So I am drawing this one, or otherwise extend all the constructions lines of front view, side view. Next, again this portion is this portion is also visible on top. I'm drawing here. So this is 12 mm rectangular box. Then when we are from this portion is visible, this portion, again this portion. So this is nothing but, again this is also visible here, and this slant 12 mm inside this one tapered. So this is the front top view of the object. Next we will move to draw the side view of object. Side view, the height of the side view is 60 mm, width of the side view is 42 mm. First we have to draw a 42 mm. See, this is 42 mm, from here to here 42 mm. And make boxes having from here to here 12 mm, again here from here to here 18 mm, from here to here 12 mm. So you have to divide the boxes like two boxes at either end 12 mm and center box is 18 mm. So this is the front side view of the object. Next, when we are viewing from this side, this portion is also visible as similar to that of a top view. So having 12 mm width, so draw this 12 mm rectangular box up to from here to here 42 mm. Next, then this radius is visible. When here this radius is visible, so from here to here make a 27, from here to here center 27 mm, then draw 21 mm radius by keeping compass here this portion, this one. Next, it is also visible in the front, so this one is see, these are the This is front, this is side view, this is also side view, this is side view. This is side, right? So you have to draw the given isometric block as per the dimensions and draw 3 respective views, that is front view, top view and side view. Okay, thank you. So keep all your assignments safely and you should submit when college reopens without fail. Thank you.